recently did an article for the Casey Report in which you tried to lay to rest once and for all why it is wrong to place the blame for inflation at the feet of rising energy and food prices. Can you comment on your reasoning?
It's one of those ideas that just won't go away. Whenever there's inflation and the public's interested in it, there's always an explanation that general price inflation is coming from the rise in the price of this or the price of that. Oil has been blamed before. This time around, it's oil and food that get blamed for inflation. But if you think it through, that explanation ends up being not satisfactory at all. If the price of oil has gone up and the price of food has gone up, then when people buy those things, they have to spend more of their income to get them, which means they have less income to spend on other things. So if there weren't something else going on beyond the rise in prices for those two items, you would see declining prices for other things because people just don't have as much money to spend on those other things. But in fact, the prices of most things are going up. And the reason the prices of most things are going up is that the government's policies to degrade the value of the dollar have an effect. People are bidding more for most things. They have more cash available because of the things the government has done. And that is the real driver of price inflation. In any circumstance, there are always going to be some prices that are rising faster than the others. 3 or 4 years from now, it might be something other than food or something other than energy. But it is never the case that the price leaders are the cause of the general rise in price inflation.